Samsung is gearing up to shake the foldable market once again, but this time they're going way beyond the regular fold and flip designs. The tech world is buzzing because Samsung has reportedly finalized work on its first ever tri-fold smartphone, expected to launch as the Galaxy Z Trifold. The leaks and insider reports are painting an increasingly clear picture of what could be the company's most futuristic device yet. Now, earlier rumors surrounding the Z Trifold were pretty wild, with some leakers hinting at a jaw-dropping $3,000 price tag. This would have pushed the device far beyond even Samsung's ultra-premium foldable lineup. But according to newer reports, the price might not be as extreme as originally believed, though it still won't fall anywhere close to the affordable category. Samsung has been extremely silent on when the Z Trifold is supposed to debut. Some supply chain sources had speculated that the device could be showcased before the end of 2025, with a very limited rollout starting in 2026. And since we're nearing the end of the year, if Samsung does plan a sneak reveal, the announcement window is basically now or never. Interestingly, a recent report even claimed that Samsung might unveil the device on December 5th, paired with a price point of around 4.4 million Korean won, which converts to roughly $3,000. If that's accurate, the Z Trifold would be a massive 50% more expensive than the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which starts at $1,999. That's a huge jump, even by premium foldable standards. But here's where things get interesting. A brand new leak now suggests a lower but still premium price tag of $2,499. It's definitely a better number than $3,000, but it still places the Trifold firmly in luxury territory. At this price, though, Samsung would undercut Huawei's Mate XT Trifold competitor by around $300, giving Samsung a slight edge in the niche Trifold space. However, even with all the hype, don't expect Samsung to go global with this device right away. Reports indicate that the Galaxy Z Trifold will initially launch only in select high purchasing power markets. That means regions like the United States, South Korea, China, and the United Arab Emirates are likely to be the first to get their hands on it, while many other countries may be left waiting or may not get the device at all. So, whether it launches at $2,499 or pushes closer to $3,000, one thing's clear. The Galaxy Z Trifold is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most bold and exclusive products ever. The bottom line? The Galaxy Z Trifold is closer than ever to going official, and fans in the lucky launch markets are just weeks away from getting their hands on one, assuming they're ready to drop a serious amount of cash for this futuristic piece of tech. The cutting-edge innovation won't come cheap, but for those who want to live on the bleeding edge of mobile tech, this is shaping up to be one of the biggest launches of the year. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy Z Trifold? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.